Hi, this is Joe with Technical Prospects, coming to you again with another tech tip. Today we'll be discussing how to access the customer service log. So now we're going to discuss how to access the customer event log. The customer can actually access the event log without going into service software. So all they would need to do is go to Options, Service, and go straight to Event Log. This will allow them to see events that are occurring in the background with their system, whether it be an error as we have selected here. I'll just click Go. I'll maximize the screen, click Go, and you have a status here to let you know the event log reader is running. Okay, in this instance, we do not have any errors to show because we have a working system without any problems at this moment. However, if you did have something going on with your system, it would populate right here. Okay. However, we can also go back. We can say, okay, use time. Let's go back to May. So I'm going from May 18th to June 18th. Now I'm going to click Go again. Let's see what we have. So in the past, we did have some issues. So now you see here, for instance, the checkup was aborted by error. Maybe there was an issue, or maybe it was aborted by the user. And you scroll down, there were some issues loading firmware. And these may have been issues from when maybe we were testing the system. However, this is how you are able to see that without accessing the service software page. You can go to severity, select warning as well, or all, or information. Let's select all this time. And we'll kind of click Go. Now, of course, we'll have more items populated here. So we'll scroll down. So all events that had an issue or an error or warning or even information at this point, because we selected all for our severity level, we'll have all events here now. For instance, it even mentions maybe we were doing a calibration at the time. Obviously here, calibration was successful. This was back in actually May, of course. And here, we were doing our homogeneity, creating our values in quality assurance. And as you see, so on and so forth, you will see each event has been updated based on its date and time. So this is how a customer can access the event log without going to the service homepage. And for more tips like these, please check out our website and visit our resources tab for more videos and tips like these.